Hi guys, today we are diving into a unique platform called Cloudway. What makes Cloudway stand out is that it offers cloud hosting through cloud provider like DigitalOcean, AWS, and Google Cloud, but also manage these services of you. This means you can easily set up WordPress or another CMS and get started without the technical week. Hassan. Cloudway is affordable and even offer 3-day free trial. Well, explore its benefit and feature to help you decide if it's the best hosting services for you. As always, I have including link in the description with any deal or discounted that might not be on their website, so be sure to check them out. One of Cloudway major strength is its flexibility. You can choose from a range of cloud provider, pick a plan, and you are ready to go. It's not a traditional web hosting platform. It does not offer email or domain registration, so you will need to extension solution for those. But what it does offer is powerful cloud hosting with great uptime, scalability, and performance. Cloud will also make it easy to manage WordPress site with one-click installation, backup, and a staging area for testing before going live. It's a great option for teams to with feature that allow you to create and manage multiple user account with control access. Security is top notch with Cloudways offering feature like two-factor authenticator, firewall, and auto healing server that keep your sites running smoothly. Backup are automatic and customizable. You will get free SSL certificate for secure encrypted connection. Cloudways incredibly user friendly with a control panel that packed with features like virtual scaling, advanced app control, and more. Plus, there a smart hosting assistant called Cloudway Bot that keep you update on your site health. When it comes to performance, Cloudway excels with its Thunderstack technology, which optimize WordPress hosting for speed. With data centers around the world, or you can choose the best region for your site to ensure fast load time and reliable uptime. Support is available 24 by 7 by email, phone, or live chat with quick response time. Just note that full account are required to submit help ticket and advanced support may require an additional fee. Pricing is flexible. You can pay monthly or hourly, and while you might pay a bit more than going directly to cloud provider, and the need added feature, security, and support make it worth it. Plus, you can scale your resources and need you are only paying for what you choose. In summary, Cloudway is an excellent option for those who want the power of cloud hosting without the technical headache. Whatever you are building, a simple site or complex project, Cloudway has you covered. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumb up and consider subscribing into our channel. Feel free to leave any question or comment below. I love engaging with you guys, and don't forget to check the description for link to Cloudway and any available discount. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.